Well, let's check in again with meteorologist John Adams. Lots of hot button issues coming up in this November election. Almost as hot as the temperatures right here in our own backyard because it has been toasty for a while, John.
Yes, it has, and we're going to continue to see those hot temperatures. Maybe not as many triple digits as we have seen, but we also could use some rain, and we've got burn bans in effect for a couple of our counties. Henderson County and Morris County have established burn bans, and we'll see if any more are added to the area until we can get some rainfall, which we have not had at all in August. No measurable rainfall for Tyler, Longview, or Lufkin. Of course, we did have a big surplus as we went into the summer, but beginning to lose some of that. Here's the month-to-date rainfall totals. We said Tyler 0, departure about 1.5 inches low on the month. Longview 0, about 1 2/3 down for the month, and Lufkin, of course, 0 rainfall and about 2 1/3 inches is what we should have had at this point in the month of August. Our high temperatures today, normally we're in the mid-90s, and today we did see some triple digits out in the west. Mid-90s for much of the rest of the area, and even some low 90s for high temperatures to the east, where that dry air continues to filter in and that milder air that's dominating much of the eastern part of the country. Over the next 7 days, we expect to see those temperatures inch upward just a little bit, go to 95 on Thursday, 97 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then start to come down just a little bit as we get a little more moisture in the air, and possibly early next week could even see a few stray showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two in the area. Perhaps that could be a start on perhaps trying to catch up on some of that moisture that we need. Right now, our temperatures are mostly in the 80s. We do see some 70s in the east. Again, the air in the east is a little bit drier than what it is back over the western part of the country. That's going to help to, or the area, that's going to help to allow those low temperatures to go down a little further into the mid and low 70s in some cases for East Texas. We could even see some high 60s a little bit close to the border with Louisiana in the morning. This is a regional satellite and radar. No rainfall associated with this system at this point, but that boundary remains to the west, so that's going to allow some of that dry air to continue to filter into the East Texas area over the next few days. Futurecast shows that is going to be the trend. Could see some rain developing near the upper Texas coast and in the western Gulf of Mexico as we go through the day tomorrow. Nothing expected here in East Texas, though. As we go through Wednesday night and Thursday morning and on into the afternoon, pretty much the same. We'll see some showers and thunderstorms develop in central Texas, but not expecting anything in East Texas at that point. And similar conditions on Friday, as we will remain mostly dry with some showers and thunderstorms developing back toward the Texas Hill Country there Friday afternoon. Going on through the weekend, will remain mostly dry, but again could start to see a stray shower or two on Sunday, and early next week perhaps a little more activity. Low temperature 74 tonight, mostly clear, not as humid, east winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, and the high temperature on Wednesday 95 with mostly sunny skies, east winds 5 to 10. Over the next 7 days, well, pretty much the same each day. We'll see sunshine right on through the weekend and into the early part of next week for mainly the northern portions of the area. Deep East Texas, where we'll pick up a little more moisture, could also see some of those stray showers showing up as early as Sunday, and maybe a few storms on Monday and Tuesday. Go to fox51.com anytime to check out that forecast.